Hey everybody, so today we're here in Norton, Virginia, and it's gateway to Flag, I don't want to screw this up, so we're going to look at the sign, gateway to the Flag Rock and High Knob recreation areas. But the reason I stopped here to start this is because I found this really amusing. Legion Park official WoodBooger sanctuary. So it's WoodBooger territory. Steph-N-Lee's scared, you can tell.
Look at that trail. That trail, I don't know if you can tell from the camera angle, but it's like sideways and straight up. It's like a deer trail.
That's the Flag Rock Overlook.
Oh, okay. We're gonna go look at some Flag Rock, I guess.
So Flag Rock and Legion Park, of course, Legion Park's over there. It says, attention, recent bear activity in this area. And like Steph was saying, you know, it's kind of a wild trail that goes up there a long way. Alright, so on our way up to the top and Flag Rock recreational area. We'll check this out. Alright, we're to the Flag Rock recreation area. We'll try to, it's kind of what it looks like. We're going to get out there, take a look at it. The city of Norton welcomes you to Flag Rock Overlook. Established in 1974, elevation 3,200 feet. And the coolest thing here that I see so far is, there he is, the WoodBooger, or as most people know him as Bigfoot. This is his woods, but they have a statue of him here. Alright, so hopefully it's not too far of a walk out to this rock. Yeah, lots of acorns, and I can hear them falling. So you go across this little metal bridge that goes, look at that, deep crevice down through there. And we are on the rock. Now, unfortunately, they have to put this unsightly fence up here, but that's because probably somebody was a moron and fell off of it at some point. It's a really big, cool rocks out here. But we can go out further, so let's do that. All right, this is as far as we go. City of Norton down there below. A pretty nice view from up here. One of the things I used to like about West Virginia, and it's also in Tennessee and, well, pretty much anywhere in the Appalachian Mountains, but is the rock cliffs that you can see over there. I'll pull out the other camera so we can get a better look. All right, so there we go. We can zoom in, see them cliffs over there. That's pretty awesome. Some of the view. Get back over here. So now you'll be able to see the American flag there on top of that rock. Another view of Norton, the mountains in the background. Yeah. Another crevice down through here. I'm going to try to extend this out, see if we can't take a look. Hopefully that helped. But you can see the way the leaves are changing up here already. Now, I will admit, I love the summer. I despise the winter, and Steph-N-Lee is the exact opposite. She likes the fall and winter. I'm more of a spring and summer. But pretty awesome up here. Love it. And it's a very short hike. Other things to note in here, they have pavilions, picnic tables, bathrooms, which are always helpful. And we'll say goodbye to Bigfoot, aka WoodBooger. Until next time, onward to another top of the mountain. All right, so we made it all the way to the top parking lot. There is a tower up there that we're gonna head to next. Stephanie's gonna hike with me up there. One of the cool things is this is part of the George Washington and Jefferson National Forest. And we used to hunt in West Virginia in the George Washington National Forest that extends the whole way down through here, so it's pretty cool. Look at those flowers.
Yeah, the wildflowers and the butterflies and the bees.
Yeah.
Pretty amazing today.
Oh, and here's a bunch of pictures of the tower. There it is in the wintertime. Sorry for the glare, but it's behind glass. Apparently there was a fire here at one time. I'm not seeing anything that says anything on that, but you're here. High Knob Observation Tower, George Washington and Jefferson National Forests. Some information on bumblebees, and apparently they have some wild piggies running around. And I can't believe how many leaves have fallen already and how they're changing up here.
It is nippy out here.
Okay, let's not get too carried away. It's not nippy, folks.
You're not going to break a sweat today.
It's not a wee bit nipply.
You can walk faster than me, honey. I understand.
I'm fine.
Nobody wants to hear the leaves
Crunching.
That could be so annoying, I'm sure.
Well, I was going to say the magic of television. We'll see you at the top. So they have one heck of a fortress built up here. Still lots of really pretty flowers. And you see the little bees there on them. I think they're aster, if I'm not mistaken.
They're really pretty, mums. Or not mums. What you said.
Aster. I could be wrong. I'm not a botanist.
Her butthead.
But there we go. Stephanie's favorite chicory.
It's my favorite. Look at the color on that. Just look at that.
Okay, so it's the last section going up. This was not a bad hike. Not bad at all. But we made it. So you park down there and walk up the trail. I actually think we'll walk down that way instead of the trail we took that looped us the whole way around. But take a little look from up here at the view. another butterfly.
You want to land on me again? Come, come. I'll be your
Flower.
huckleberry. Let you land on me.
All right, we made it back down to the parking lot, all in one piece and all in the same day.
Fantastic. Beautiful here. Beautiful. Beautiful.
Yeah, we loved it.
Loved it.
So, I got a bee dive bomb in my head. Anyway, we want to thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. And, you know, we don't go to the top of mountains all the time. But when
Some of
we
us
do,
don't make it there at all.
some of us can't get up the mountain. But we want to try to do some more videos like this, especially with cooler weather coming. It makes it a little easier for somebody. And of course the leaves are changing and it's going to get beautiful. So thank you again for watching. And until next time, have a Steph-N-Lee day.